Alright, today we're going to be going through how to change our store appearance. That is the slide section. That is this place that your customers, your visitors would first meet when they visit your store. How do you change this text? How do you change this? And how do you change the picture at the back? Alright, that being said, we just move into our dashboard, head to settings, the same place we were, where we changed our site colors, and you would find this section, edit slides. Alright, you just need to toggle that for it to open and close, the same with edit slide to toggle, open and close. Alright, you notice that we have 3 slides on the Qartwil store, and it's pretty straightforward. All we are going to do here would be to change either of the text that we want to edit. In your case, being a new store, what you're going to be changing would be basically all 3 slides, okay? But I'm going to show you how to do that in a jiffy. Okay, I'm going to change the yours from here. Just going to remove that totally so we'll see the difference. And for us to select our image for the background, we just need to drag our image into this box here, or you could simply click on that both on your mobile device and also on your PC, and you could select your image from anywhere you want to select that from. In this case, I'm selecting one of this image, and the moment I click on OK, you will see that it has uploaded. Alright, so I've changed the yours, I've removed the yours from here, so we're going to look for that. I'm going to remove beauty from here also, and I'm just going to select another image, and I will do the same for the third. Okay, perfect. So once you've done and you're satisfied with what you've put for your headline and caption, you just hit the save slides. As soon as that gives you the success message, your site should reload and you should get back to the home page and see the changes that has been made. Alright, so we're just going to look there, and I'm just going to refresh this page. And there you go. You can see timeless elegance perfectly. We removed the word that was here, okay, and you can see that the images we've used have become the background of our slides. That simple and that fast. Alright, see you on the next tutorial. Bye.